Today I'm going to show you all a very simple and easy chicken curry recipe. And this is actually a Sunday special in my home. I usually make it for dosas, but this literally goes well with anything. You can have it with idlis or idiyappam, parota or even rice. This is a very spicy and a delicious curry. So now let's see how to make this. Take about 5 tablespoons of oil, preferably sesame seed oil, and once it's hot for the tempering, add about a teaspoon of fennel seeds, some cinnamon, cloves and stone flour. Give it a quick mix and add about 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add about 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute till the raw smell goes and then add about 1.5 tomatoes. The tomatoes, you have to cook them till they're nice, soft and mushy. So once this is cooked well, you can add the masalas. For that you need about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, and I'm also going to use about 2 tablespoons of chicken masala powder. Now this chicken masala powder is completely optional. You can also skip it. And then about 1 tablespoon of salt. So just cook it till the raw smell goes and then add the chicken pieces. I've already washed the chicken pieces with some salt and turmeric powder, and here I'm using about 750 grams of chicken curry cut pieces. So mix it well till all the chicken pieces are coated nicely with the masalas, and then add about 2 to 3 cups of warm water and some coriander leaves. So I'll just give it a quick mix. And now I'm going to cook this for about 3 whistles or till the chicken pieces are quite tender. So now the chicken pieces are cooked well. So at this stage I'm going to add about half a cup of thick coconut milk. Now let this boil for about 4 to 5 minutes, and now for the last tempering I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil and some green chilies. Green chilies you can add according to how spicy you like it. I've added about 3 green chilies, some curry leaves. Just give it a quick mix. And now reduce the flame completely and add about 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala powder. Just give it a quick mix. Turn off the flame and add it to the curry. Now just mix it well and let it cook for about a minute, and then you can serve it hot. Hope you all like this chicken curry recipe, so do try this, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.